Smart Pet Water Dispenser. Good ABS material. 3 liters water tank. Long press to unlock panel. Set the frequency of water changes and water output. Long press to dispense water. Separation of clean water and sewage. Dumping water exchange. Ensure clean water sources. Automatic water change. Clean and hygienic. Built-in battery. Long standby time. Unlimited range. Flexible placement. Split design for easy clean. Put a lid on the tank. Install sewage water tank and cover. Insert the sink catch into the main unit. Open the soft rubber cover. Type-C charging port.